Hey, what's going on, y'all? Hey, so today I just want to stop by and go over a term that we all often use, but it's an incorrect term. Before I started studying consumer law, I used it as well often. But now every time I'm telling somebody about credit or helping them with a letter, they start off with the credit bureau's this or the credit bureau's that. And now when I hear it, it kind of makes me cringe. We give them way too much power. So now it's time to start taking away that power. So a bureau, defined by the law dictionary, is just a name given to several different departments of the executive administrative branches of government or their larger subdivisions. But you know how I do it. Let's go over some facts with the U.S. codes on what a bureau is, and then we'll get into what Congress defines a consumer reporting agency. Let me share my screen with you all real fast. Hope everybody's having a great day, staying safe, being productive, getting something done. All right, so 15 USC 1602. Yeah, as y'all know, 1601. That's subchapter 1. It covers consumer credit costs disclosures. You can find your Truth in Lending Act, your Consumer Credit Protection Act, and all that stuff inside of there. So Congress defines bureau in this title. The term bureau means the Bureau of Consumer Financial Protection. All right, so we know Truth in Lending define bureau as the Consumer Financial Protection. So we're going to skip over the FCRA, which is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and that's in 15 USC 1681, or subchapter 3. So we're going to skip over that one because that one defines consumer reporting agencies, and then it defines bureau and commission as well. So I just want to check those out last. So then we're going to go to 1691, which is 1691A, which is the Equal Credit Opportunity Act or Equal Credit Opportunity. So Congress defined the term bureau as the Bureau of Consumer Financial Protection. All right, so let's keep it going. 1692, which is the FDCPA, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. It starts with 1692. So Congress defines the Bureau in this title as the Bureau of Consumer Financial Protection. I guess y'all see where I'm going with this. All right, let's keep it moving. So this is the electronic funds transfer. It's in 15 USC 1693. It's the Electronic Fund Transfer Act. And so in 4, they define the Bureau as the Consumer Financial Protection. All right. So just real quick, the Consumer Financial, now we do that last. So let's go to 15 USC 1681A. This is the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So let's see what they define on down there. Let's go to F. I believe that's what Bureau was defined. Yeah, I mean Consumer Reporting Agency. So F defines Consumer Reporting Agency. The term Consumer Reporting Agency means any person which, for monetary fees, dues, or a cooperative nonprofit basis, regularly engages in whole or in part in the practice of assembling or evaluating consumer credit information or other information on consumers for the purpose of furnishing consumer reports to third parties, and which uses any means or facility of interstate commerce for the purpose of preparing or furnishing consumer reports. Bam. This is what a consumer reporting agency is, or the term that we've often used, which I hope we stop using it right now, it's credit bureaus. They don't deserve that. I mean, we often give a lot of these organizations in the corporation a lot of power that they don't really have. God created man, not government. But that's neither here nor there. That's for a different conversation. So let's go to the CFP. No, let's go down to V. V, I think, define commission. W defines bureau. So the commission. The term commission means the bureau. All right, the term bureau means the Bureau of Consumer Financial Protection. So the Bureau of Consumer Financial Protection is who the consumer reporting agencies and all the creditors they report to. This is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. It's a government agency. The consumer reporting agencies are not a governmental agency. So after you send all your disputes up, and you know they're not 100% accurate, or they have incompleteness, or they're unverifiable, whatever, and the consumer reporting agencies are playing games. That's why you keep all your evidence and everything that you're sending off, because once you do that, once they playing games every a couple months, 2 or 3 months after you've been trying, you come here and submit you a dispute. You create you a dispute or a complaint. Bam. You fill out all your info. I ain't gonna go through all that right now. And then consumer reporting agencies have to report back to the CFPB. They govern the consumer reporting agencies. So I just wanted to stop by real quick and just give a brief little class on the term bureau. So hopefully we stop using the bureau when we're referring to consumer reporting agencies, because they are not that. All right, y'all. I hope y'all have a good day. Stay safe. As always, research, research, research. You will be rewarded. Safe travels.